Hello and welcome to another video from Tech Refresh. Here we have a Dell 3190 which we are replacing a worn out screen protector. We use screen protectors to protect the screen from getting marked and scratched during its normal use. This ensures that the screen remains in good condition. This can help to extend a device's usable life as it makes it more desirable in the second user market. We recycle all of our used plastic screen protectors through our partner TerraCycle. Thanks for watching this video, we hope you enjoyed it and watch out for more videos from Tech Refresh soon.